In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on MyFitnessPal app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up MyFitnessPal, and I'll show you what my font size is currently set to. So I'm just going to skip out of this. Alright, so you can see my font size is currently set to this. And now if I go back and heading to the settings app on my phone, once I'm inside settings, I want to scroll down and then look for display, tap into display, and once again navigate lower and click into font size and style. And at the bottom of the page you will see a slider under font size. If I move the slider to the right hand side, it's going to increase the font size, and likewise if I move it to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So have a play around of where you want to set the slider at. I want to keep it near the right hand side to make the font size larger. And now if I head into MyFitnessPal, you can see the font size has been changed and it is easier now to read.